Mastering the past, simple tense, as a barista. In the daily life of a barista, the past simple tense plays a crucial role in communicating with customers and colleagues about past actions and events. Being able to use this tense accurately and confidently is essential for providing excellent customer service and effectively communicating with colleagues in a busy coffee shop environment. Let's explore some examples to help beginner ESL students understand how to use the past simple tense as a barista. 1. Describing past actions. Yesterday, I brewed a fresh pot of coffee for our morning rush. Last week, I served a customer who ordered a latte with an extra shot of espresso. 2. Talking about completed tasks. I cleaned the espresso machine after the lunch rush yesterday. We restocked the pastries in the display case this morning. 3. Recounting customer interactions. A customer came in earlier and ordered a caramel macchiato. I greeted a regular customer who always orders a black coffee with a smile. 4. Providing updates on past events. I informed the team about the new coffee blend we received last week. We discussed the feedback from customers who tried our seasonal drink over the weekend. 5. Reporting problems and solutions. The milk frother stopped working yesterday, but we fixed it immediately. Last month, we ran out of almond milk, so I ordered a new supply from our supplier. By using the past simple tense in these examples, beginner ESL students can learn how to effectively communicate about past events and actions in a barista context. Practice using the past simple tense in everyday conversations and interactions with customers to improve fluency and accuracy. In conclusion, mastering the past simple tense as a barista is essential for effective communication in a coffee shop setting. By learning to use this tense accurately and confidently, ESL students can enhance their customer service skills and build stronger connections with colleagues. Practice makes perfect. So keep using the past simple tense in your conversations to become a proficient barista language learner.